Hello friends, welcome to Neema's Tips and Tricks. Today let's make a very tasty and healthy pudding, and that too in 3 different flavors. You may be curious to know the pudding we are going to make. It's chia pudding with papaya flavor, banana and pineapple flavor, and finally mocha love. I'm sure you will love watching my video, so do subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Let's start with the basic chia pudding, and for this all we need are thick coconut milk or almond milk 2 cups, chia seeds 4 tablespoons, honey 4 tablespoons or as per your taste, 400 milliliter jar. For making a basic chia pudding, let's add the chia seeds first into this jar. Four tablespoons of chia seeds. Second, third, and the fourth. As said, 4 tablespoons of honey. To this, let's add either coconut milk or almond milk and mix well. You have to mix very well. Let's transfer this mixture into 3 of these glasses and keep it in the refrigerator for 4 hours for freezing. Meanwhile, let's prepare the toppings. First, let's make my favorite papaya flavor. Now, for that, let's add the ingredients into a blender like this. Half cup papaya, 2 tablespoons natural plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, water as needed. Let's blend and transfer this papaya mixture into a bowl. Next, let's make banana pineapple flavor. Now, let's add the ingredients into a blender like this. 1/4 cup banana and 1/4 cup pineapple. One tablespoon honey. Two tablespoons natural plain yogurt. Water as required. Let's blend and transfer this mixture also to a bowl. Finally, let's make mocha love flavor, which I'm sure you all have been anxiously waiting for. The ingredients are 3 tablespoons of chia pudding, which we had kept in the refrigerator, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, and a splash of cold coffee. Blend it and transfer this mixture into a bowl. If you like it more stronger, then you can add in more cold coffee. Four hours are over and 3 flavor toppings are ready. Now let's see how our chia pudding, which is kept in the refrigerator, looks like. Our chia pudding is all set. It has absorbed all the liquids and set for toppings. Now let's add each toppings into each of these glasses. First, let's add our papaya flavor. Banana and pineapple flavor. Finally, mocha lao. Now let's garnish it with some dry fruits and wafers. That's it. 3 flavors for you to try, and let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe. See you all in my next video with another tips and tricks.